you, babe. Woman, I think I'm gonna put you down.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Poor Man's Black Rifle Review. Today I am featuring Anderson Manufacturing's Ghost Lower. Everybody asked for it. They kicked the horse to the curb for this one. It is a blank slate, as you can see. You can send it out to be engraved. Any logo or any kind of thing you want put on this, it can now be done. It is yours to write your own story. Again, this is by Anderson Manufacturing, and this forged lower is 8.7 ounces, and the finish, I would say, is very good. I went over it very carefully, and the quality control on it is outstanding. So anyways, that's Anderson Manufacturing Ghost Lower. Thank you, Anderson Manufacturing, for listening to everybody, and you can find them at andersonmanufacturing.com, and they will send you your lower with your 4473. Thanks again, and God bless.